Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase rewards flexibility with Citi Premier Card, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the benefits of the Citi Premier Card. Recognize that the Citi Premier Card offers an extensive rewards program. Familiarize yourself with the categories that earn extra points. Dining at restaurants, including takeout and delivery, earns 3 points per dollar. Travel expenses, including flights, hotels, and car rentals, also earn 3 points per dollar. You earn 2 points for every dollar spent on entertainment and streaming services. All other purchases earn 1 point per dollar. Next, consider how to maximize your points through strategic spending. Plan your purchases to align with the bonus categories. Use the card for regular expenses like groceries or gas to accumulate points quickly. Look at the travel options available through the Citi Thank You Rewards program. Explore which airlines and hotels you can book using your points. Take advantage of transfer partners to stretch your points even further. Check for any promotions that may enhance your rewards earning potential. Make sure to monitor your points regularly through the Citi mobile app or website. Stay updated on any changes to the rewards structure. Consider additional benefits like travel insurance and rental car coverage when utilizing your card. Use cardholder notifications to track your spending and bonuses. Review your rewards strategy periodically to ensure you're optimizing your earning potential. Finally, remember to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Following these steps will help you maximize your rewards flexibility with the Citi Premier Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.